Welcome! In this video, we're going to quickly cover a couple of new features that will probably make it into the production shipping version of Windows 11. Those features are Search on the Taskbar Experience and Notepad with tabs. These features are previewed in the Windows Insider Dev channel, Windows 11, Professional and Enterprise. Let's take a look. To compare the two features, we're going to use Windows 11 Professional 22H2 OS build 22.621.1105 and the Dev channel Windows 11 Professional 22H2 OS build 25300.1000. What is the Windows Insider program? It is a Microsoft initiative where users can run preview builds of Windows and Windows Server on their devices to try out the latest builds and features. Participants are highly encouraged to provide Microsoft with valuable feedback via the Feedback Hub. The Windows Insider program is free and anyone can sign up. After installing the Dev channel build, check for the latest updates and patches via Windows Update. Also, be sure to go to the Windows Store and update the apps. To update Windows, go to Settings and select Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. To update the apps, open the Microsoft Store, click Library, followed by Get Updates. As to the Search on the Taskbar experience, the major difference is that you now have additional options from which to select via Taskbar settings. Now you can select between Hide, Search Icon Only, Search Icon and Label, Search Box. With the search setting set to Hide, you can search by typing your query in the search box at the top of the Start menu. With the settings set to Search Icon Only and Search Icon and Label, you get a menu with a search box area at the top into which you can type your search query. With the settings set to Search Box, you get the search menu without an entry, however your query is displayed in the search box on the taskbar. With Windows 11 22H2 build 22.621 and earlier, you only had On or Off. With the settings set to On, a menu appears with the search box at the top. With the settings set to Off, you can search by typing your query in the search box at the top of the Start menu. Regardless of the settings in either build 22.621 or 25.300, you can search by typing your query into the search box at the top of the Start menu. Notepad with tabs, however, is a significant update worthy of coverage as that feature is probably most likely to make it into production shipping version builds of Windows 11. The version of Notepad with tabs is 11.2302.10.0. The current shipping version without tabs is 11.2210.5.0. You can see under the Notepad settings that the new version has a couple more settings, with the Open File setting being the most important. Here, you can choose to open a new file when Notepad is already open in either a new tab or a new window, which is the default behavior for the older version since tabs are not an option. The menu items of Edit and View are pretty much unchanged. The only noticeable difference is that there are tab-specific items under File. How does the new tab Notepad compare with three other popular free tab text editors such as Notepad++, Sublime Text, and Visual Studio Code? Since the other text editors are primarily geared toward coding and programming, each provides syntax highlighting relevant to the programming or scripting language being edited. Also, all editors display line numbers to the right, whereas Notepad displays the current line number in the status bar. The other editors also sport a document map to ease scrolling and navigation. In all three IDE text editors, you can compare or diff two files quickly to see the differences. In Notepad, you cannot. You can select, drag and drop text between different applications and between different instances of the same application, but not between tabs in the same instance of an application. This behavior is consistent between Notepad++, Sublime Text, and Visual Studio Code. Notepad++, Sublime Text, and Visual Studio Code all retain unsaved text when the application is closed, whereas Notepad does not. That means when an unexpected event, such as power loss, occurs that causes the system to inadvertently shut down, all of the third-party applications will have a saved copy of the text, except Notepad. Although the addition of tabs in Notepad is a welcome feature, the new Notepad has the same usefulness and weaknesses as the current Notepad. Most likely, you will probably want to have Notepad++, Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code, or some other text editor installed, or you can have them all installed. I hope you enjoyed this video, learned something new, and found it helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, and share with those close to you. I welcome your feedback. Please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts or suggestions. And thank you for watching.